Why human go crazy when soda drop one shiny coin? Boom. Cart not big enough. Uncle Joe loads so many cans, need second cart. Brain say cheap soda good. Must drink more before other tribes steal. But look at medicine cave. Insulin price rise by 100 shiny dollar. Still people buy. No sale sign, only pain in wallet. Without insulin, tribe member cannot live. No choice, that tribe is strange magic called elasticity. Some prices bend like bamboo, others stay stiff like mammoth bone. A soda discount makes demand stretch wide, like caveman belly at Thanksgiving dinner. Insulin price shoots up and demand barely moves. Stubborn rock. This invisible force shapes the whole Martin tribe economy. Super Bowl pizza, Starbucks latte, Netflix binge night, rent for tiny New York cave. You already living inside this elastic web every day. So stay by fire. Garucha show why some prices wiggle and dance while others stay stiff. By end, you see soda, insulin, gas, rent, all part of same story. Why it matters? This not just soda laugh or insulin pain. Elasticity decide fate of whole village. If you not understand, money vanish faster than marshmallow at summer bonfire. Take gas. In 1970s, American tribe wait in endless lines. Price jump, tribe drive less, buy smaller cars, invent carpools. Elasticity at work. Big price make behavior change. Now rent, apartment price in New York climbs sky high, but people still pay. No substitute for roof. Demand stiff, wallets break. Families squeeze into tiny studios. Elasticity explain why landlord fat while renter cry. Or Netflix. Company raise monthly fee a little. Many humans shout too much. Cancel now. Dozens of other tribes offer shiny screens. That is elastic. But insulin, no substitute, no escape. That is inelastic. Big chiefs in medicine land can charge more. People still pay. See the danger. Boss raise price, politician make law, company test your wallet stretch. Sometimes you can bend, sometimes you cannot. Knowing difference is survival skill. Elasticity is not dusty word in economics cave scroll. It decide how much gas you buy, how far you drive, how much rent you pay, how much debt you carry. It rule your belly, your paycheck, your future. What it really means, now tribe, nod head, say. Okay, Garucha, this elasticity sound big, but what it really mean? Good question. Garucha explains simple, no scary math sticks. Elasticity measure how much demand wiggle when price move. Think of it like rope. Some rope stretch long when you pull, elastic. Some rope stiff, refuse to move, inelastic. When something is elastic, small change in price make tribe change behavior fast. Example, pizza slice cost $2, then sale for $1.50 during Super Bowl Sunday. Suddenly demand explode. Tribe buy 10 boxes, not 2. But when something is inelastic, price change, but demand barely move. Example, insulin again. Even if price double, people still buy. Same with electricity. No one say light too expensive. Let's live in dark cave. Demand stiff like rock. Simple rule, elastic. Stretchy like rubber band, inelastic. Stiff like bone. Once you see this, you can predict how people, companies, whole economy behave when price moves. Once you know, you stop being hunted and start being hunted. Elasticity in daily life. But Garucha not want you just nod head. Garucha wants you see it in your own tribe life. Grocery store, avocado price jumped to $3 each. Many humans say, forget guacamole, chips taste fine alone. Elastic. Demand bend fast. Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. Price go up 20 shiny cents. Still every fall. Tribe line outdoor with scarves and selfies. Caffeine plus cinnamon magic was inelastic. People grumble but still sip. Gas, price jump overnight. Humans complain loud, but next day they still drive to work. Over time, though, tribe adjust. Buy smaller cars, ride bikes, carpool. Elasticity works slow but sure. Like river carving canyon, secret example. Costco rotisserie chicken. Price stay $4.99 for decades. If Costco dare raise, demand snap. Shoppers revolt. Chicken is anchor, highly elastic. So they freeze price to keep tribe happy. Elasticity hide in your fridge, your coffee cup, your car tank, your streaming subscription. You live inside elastic web every single day. 4 stones of elasticity. So you see pizza bend, insulin stiff, chicken anchor strong. But what decide if thing bend or break? Garucha give you 4 big stones. Simple rules every tribe member can carry. Stone 1, necessity versus luxury. Survival goods like water, medicine, shelter, demand stiff. You buy no matter what. Shiny toy or new iPhone case. Easy to skip, but rent in Los Angeles rise 200. People still pay. New sneakers price hike. Tribe wait for sale. Stone 2, substitutes. If many swap options exist, demand is elastic. Coke too pricey. Tribe switch to Pepsi. No substitute, demand stiff. At Netflix price rise, you cancel move to Hulu. Insulin, no swap, no escape. Stone 3, share of wallet. If price is small, fraction of income, demand barely notice. But if price big bite, tribe scream. New car price rise 5,000, you pause. Gum rise 50 cents, you still chew. Stone 4, time short run, demand stiff. Long run, demand bend. Will gas price shoot up today, you still drive. 1 year later, you trade big truck for hybrid. These stones are compass for modern jungle. They tell you where demand will bend, where it resists, how companies test your wallet. Next time price move, ask, is it necessity? Can I swap? How big cost? How much time I have to adjust? Answer decide if you bend or break. Chiefs know your rope, you think, Garucha now me master. Me hold 4 stones, me know when price bend. Careful tribe, while you watch price. Big chiefs already watch you. Companies know elasticity better than you know your Netflix password. They test your rope every day. Push price here, pull there, see if demand stretch or snap. Airlines charge you for check bag because you trapped. No substitute when flying to grandma's Thanksgiving feast. Demand stiff, they squeeze. Apple raise iPhone price $100. Fans still camp outside store. Apple tribe is loyal, almost religious. Demand stiff, no bend. Big Chief Apple laugh all the way to Cave Bank. McDonald's knows tribe's stomach is elastic. Dollar menu keeps poor caveman coming back. If price jump too high, you leave for Taco Bell. They keep cheap bait to hook you, then upsell fries and shakes. Elasticity is not just science. It is weapon. Businesses use it to squeeze extra coins when demand stiff and bait you when demand stretchy. Every time you shop, you in silent tug of war. When elasticity breaks society, elasticity not only decide if you buy extra pizza or cancel Netflix. Sometimes it decide who live in comfort and who suffer. Take insulin again. Price rise year after year in America, while in Canada, it stay cheap. In US, chiefs know demand stiff. Families sell cars, borrow money, cry at pharmacy counter. Lives bend, demand stiff. Tragedy of inelastic rope. Rent. In Los Angeles, New York, Austin, prices shoot up like mammoth leaping cliff. Tribes still pay because everyone need roof. Families forced to move far away. Commute hours. Children sleep in back seat. Elasticity explain why landlords fat, while renters hollow. Minimum wage fight. Raise wage too high, chiefs say jobs vanish. Lower wage, workers starve. Elasticity of labor demand. How many workers bosses hire when cost changes? Rope still there, stretching and snapping. These are not just numbers in textbook. They are tears, long drives, empty wallets, political wars. Elasticity decide who can afford college. Who goes bankrupt from hospital bill? Who keeps job when wage change? Elasticity is invisible law, pulling at every thread of society. Ignore it, rope snap, leaving tribe broken. Understand it, maybe you see where fight must be. The wisdom to bend, not break so. What Garucha show you tonight? Soda, insulin, rent, gas, pizza, chicken, all dance to drumbeat called elasticity. Some prices bend like willow, some stay stiff like stone. Knowing which is which can save your belly, your wallet, maybe your life. As consumer, you have power. When demand is elastic, you can walk away. Cancel overpriced streaming. Switch Coke for Pepsi. Buy generic. When enough tribe members walk, chiefs bend knee. But when demand is inelastic, no substitute survival. then tribe must stand together. Push for fair law, call out greedy chiefs, demand justice. When caveman alone cannot fight stiff rope, whole village must pull. Elasticity is mirror of self. Each of us has elastic points, things we bend on, things we never compromise. Maybe you bend on cheap shoes, but never on family health. Maybe you skip gadget, but never skip roof for children. To know yourself is to know your own elasticity. Next time you see $1 soda sale and grab 3, smile. That is rope stretching. Next time price of medicine rise, remember, some rope's too stiff to fight alone. Every time you pay or refuse, you are part of this giant web. Stay wise, tribe. Learn when to bend, when to resist, and when to fight together. That is the survival law of modern jungle. Garucha vanish now.